Right now, the sentiment score for education sits at -0.32, with a momentum of -0.37. This negative shift is particularly striking when we consider that sentiment in education has been relatively stable in recent months. The current dip suggests a significant disconnect, warranting your attention. Our API returns nuanced insights into how people feel about education, breaking down the data into 20 semantic clusters that can reveal underlying themes in public sentiment. Imagine you're developing a dashboard for an educational institution. This data could help you identify specific areas of concern, such as public dissatisfaction with online learning methods, allowing decision-makers to address these issues proactively. To explore how you can leverage this data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.